Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the crossfader settings internally by going to settings. Once you get into settings, there'll be some tabs. You're looking for the mixer tab. Go down to the crossfader section, and then there's a knob that you can adjust to slow or fast. For scratching, you want it to be fast. All right, I've also selected linear here. It made more sense. If you don't know what the linear does, you can choose to drop down and say show tool tips and hover over that, and that'll give you a description of what the linear selection is versus the power section or your reverse or pretty much anything on the screen. You can use these tool tips. To shut it off, you just select help, and then when you hover over things, it won't show anymore. If you go back to the main screen and select tooltips, show tooltips again, you can hover over different items and you will get a description of what those items do. You want to make sure your help or tooltip is turned off when you're mixing, because this will be very annoying when you're trying to select different things on the screen. So show tooltips will be a great help, and that's how you adjust the fader curve internally if you don't have one on your mixer.